Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're doing our weekly Bitcoin price update. We're going to break down the current state of the market and what we can expect in the coming week. The monthly trend remains bullish, with the macro uptrend still intact and marching higher. On the weekly outlook, the charts are flashing a bull continuation signal, but we'll need next week's candles to lock it in. The daily vibe is in a neutral territory, with a doji candle signaling a pause and indecision in the market, which is exactly what we expected. We're currently in a neutral zone, but the bulls dominate above 107K and 100K. If we can keep consolidating here, a fresh all-time high could erupt soon. In the short term, my forecast is that we'll see a few sideways days with occasional rejections. My take is that a retest around $112,500 to $112,000 looks likely next. For a solid long-term play, we need a weekly candle closing above $120,000, backed by strong buying volume. That's the green light for the next big upward wave. It's important to note that if we get a D1 close below $107,000, it could trigger a deeper sell-off. On the other hand, with Bitcoin holding steady above the 110K mark, altcoins stand to gain from the added stability and resilience. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BingX right now, where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to join my communities. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and the closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.